Dear students, very good morning to all of you. This is Durgesh Kumar Pandey, your history teacher. Students, in my earlier class, I had discussed about the writing skills and city lives of the Mesopotamian peoples. Now today, we will discuss about the geography of Mesopotamia and its geography. Mesopotamia and its geography. Students, as we understand, as we knows that Mesopotamia civilization developed in between two rivers, that is Tigris and Euphrates. Tigris and Euphrates. Because of lies in these two rivers, the soil of these regions were very fertile. The peoples of Mesopotamia used to agriculture there. Agriculture enhanced because of surplus production. In agriculture. Because of surplus production in agriculture, they earned extra money. From their living. They earn extra money. If we will try to understand the geographical status of these regions, then we will find there Mesopotamia lies in between. Here is Kazakhstan, Caspian Sea. Here Syria and Lebanon. Here Arabian Desert. Here Gulf of Faras. Apart Indus Valley civilization, Indus Valley region, and here there are three towns also developed, that is Uruk town, and Mari town. These three towns developed in this civilization, during this civilization of Mesopotamia. The people of that region used to trade and commerce apart from Mesopotamia, like through the Caspian Sea, through the Gulf of Faras, Syria and Lebanon, all those its neighboring countries used to trade with these towns, Uruk towns and Mari towns. Because of development in manufacturing of goods, the towns were developed slowly. In the surplus production of agriculture, they earned so much. So they will become economically strong. They became economically strong. If anybody will be economically strong, they think apart. They used to trade and they settled the towns. If the trading culture emerged, then town will be developed. If the trading culture emerged, then the town will be developed soon. So after the emerging of trading culture, town developed slowly. Town developed slowly after sometimes in a rapid way. In a rapid way. Rapid way. The peoples who came from apart through the Gulf of Faras, through the Caspian Sea, the neighboring country like Syria, Lebanon, Algeria, etc., they used to came here and trade with these Mesopotamia's peoples through the Euphrates river, through the Tigris river, through the Tigris river. They trade in these towns like Ur town, Uruk town and Mari town. Mari town. Students, they trade. If the trade emerged, then through the trade emerged through the agriculture. They economically strong. They became economically strong. After that, they settled town. They settled town. After the town, the population also emerged. Population also emerged. Enhance. Population also enhance because of township. The people used to came and settled over here for the purpose of trade and commerce. For the purpose of trade and commerce. Then slowly the city life developed. If the trade and commerce are held in here, then what happened? Manufacturing process is going on. Manufacturing process are going on of the goods, of the metals, of the silvers, of the gold. Then there is a need of record. So the necessities of writing skills develop. Here you can easily understand, because of trade and commerce, the town settled, and because of manufacturing process, because of trade and commerce process, the writing, there is a necessities of writings also developed. In these regions. People thinks how we will make our records, of the things, what we are sold out and what we buy. There is a necessities of record, so the necessities of writing skills also developed there. Students, movements of goods and cities. Movement of goods of cities. There is a need of food resources. If we will talk about the movement of goods into cities. Then students, we can easily see here, because of movement of goods into cities, जब सामान को अंदर आना है, अपने शहर के अंदर लेना है, यानी कि अपनी बाउंड्रीज के अंदर कवर करना है, तो फिर क्या होगा? कन्वेंस की मात्रा बढ़ेगी, कन्वेंस की जरूरत पड़ेगी, तो उसके लिए क्या होगा? मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डेवलप होगी, मैन्युफैक्चर भी डेवलप होगा. फिर उसके बाद दे इंपोर्टेड वुड, कॉपर. द पीपल्स ऑफ मेसोपोटामिया इंपोर्ट गुड्स लाइक कॉपर, gold, silver, etc. People of Mesopotamia imported copper, gold, silver, etc. Wood metals. They export their textile and food resources. They export their textile and food resources. They export their textile and food resources. Students, they import copper, gold, silver and all the metals things. Like wood things also they import from the another country, and they export like their textiles, their food resources, their resources. The medium of transportation they use, what kind of transportation they use? Students, what kind of transportation they use? They use transportation. The medium of transportation like boat or ship, and in road region and road transportation, land transportation they use khachar, donkey and horse. Khachar, donkey and horse for the purpose of transportation. When the port area goods came, they convinced that goods through the boat, ship, khachar, donkey and horses, through the horses. Now students, we will talk about the development of writing system. The development of writing system. In my first video of this chapter, I had discussed about the 4 kinds of language: Sumerian, Akkadian, Assyrian and Babylonian. So first language used, that is Sumerian language. Sumerian language used in Epird, in Mesopotamia region. First Mesopotamia tablets also written around 3200 BCE. First tablets written in Mesopotamia near about 3200 BC. The known language what written over there, that is Sumerian language. By 2600 BC, the letters became cuneiform and language was Sumerian. The script they used at that time, that is cuneiform script. And the first language used as Sumerian language. Written over there in a cuneiform method, in a cuneiform method, cuneiform method. Cuneiform method, as you seen here, in a brick field, in a brick field, when the bricks baked, bricks path, जब ईंटे को पाथा जाता है, यानी कि उसको ईंटे को बनाया जाता है कच्ची मिट्टी को डाल करके, तो वहाँ पर पहले से ही प्रिंटेड कुछ होता है, वो प्रिंटेड कोई भी नाम लिखा होगा, राम, श्याम, व्हाटएवर, जैसे ही हम लगाएंगे उसके बाद वो चिपक जाएगा। चिपक जाएगा तो ऑलरेडी क्या होगा, जो कुछ भी नीचे लिखा होगा उल्टे डायरेक्शन में वो उस पर सीधे डायरेक्शन में लिखा जाएगा। तो क्यूनिफॉर्म मेथड वहाँ पर यूज होता था, उसको भी वो लोग मिट्टी के चाक पर यूज करते थे। वो जो कुछ भी लिखा होता था स्ट्रिप में, क्यूनिफॉर्म मेथड्स में, उसको उस पर चिपका देते थे। जब वो गीली फर्श क्या हो जाती थी, सूख जाती थी, तो वो बहुत हार्ड हो जाती थी, और हार्ड हो जाती थी, जो कुछ भी लिखा होता था उस पर प्रिंट हो जाता था। Okay students, that kind of method is known as cuneiform method. Mesopotamia wrote on the tablets of clay. The peoples of Mesopotamia wrote over clay, wrote over क्ले, मिट्टी के ऊपर लिखा जाता था। किस मेथड में? क्यूनिफॉर्म मेथड। क्यूनिफॉर्म मेथड विच यूज वंस ड्राइड इट वाज क्ले टैबलेट्स वुड हार्डर। जब ये ड्राई हो जाती थी, जब ये सूख जाती थी, तो बहुत हार्डर हो जाती थी। वाई दे यूज राइटिंग फॉर, व्हाट वाज द यूज ऑफ दिस राइटिंग? स्टूडेंट्स, now we will discuss about the uses of these writings. Why the peoples of Mesopotamia use these writings? What is the necessities? First thing is that writing was used for, writing was used for first keeping records, making dictionaries, making dictionaries, giving legal validity and land transfer. Legal validity for land transfers. Next, narrating the deeds of king. Narrating deeds of kings. Narrating deeds of kings, announcing the changes a king had made, announcing the changes that king had made, that the king had made. आखिर क्यों यूज करते थे? वो रिकॉर्ड्स के लिए यूज करते थे, डिक्शनरी के लिए यूज करते थे, लीगल वैलिडिटी के लिए यूज करते थे, और राजा के द्वारा किए गए कार्यों को दिखाने के लिए जब राजा पढ़ा लिखा हो जाता था तो वो अपने चाहता था कि उसका भी उसके द्वारा किए गए कार्यों को भी लिखा जाए। अनाउंसिंग द चेंजेस दैट हैड किंग्स हैड बीन, जिस राजा ने कुछ भी संशोधन किया है उसको भी लिखा जाए, इन सारी चीज़ों को लिखने के लिए यूज किया जाता है। जैसे द सिस्टम ऑफ राइटिंग इन क्यूनिफॉर्म, इफ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द सिस्टम ऑफ राइटिंग, system of writing cuneiform. What was the system? If we can easily say, if I want to write the sun, the people of Mesopotamia region who were using their a cuneiform script, they made like that. This is the symbol of sun. They understand. This was the cuneiform method and this is the Roman script. This is the cuneiform script and this is the Roman script. So I hope so that students, you all will understand it very well, why the peoples of Mesopotamia use writing skills, why the writing skills, what were the necessities behind that, how the towns or city developed during the passage of time. So students, after these things, later remain topics we will discuss in our next class. Thank you students.